There are many service providers out there, but we're sure you want a good one with professional touch. We have it.
Welcome to Dogs Paradise Resort Force-Free Boarding Kennel. Fresh air and 4 large playground. Individual cats kennel. Bright and spotless. Small groups in daycare. Oversized business class kennels. Even 3 dogs feel comfortable. Huge kennels. Bed from home also allowed. Dog run for family. Smile from guests. Modern pet hotel. Individual feeding schedule. Fun in any weather. Dogs and human reactive dogs welcome. Individual playtime available. Clean grass. Individual dog runs. Playground for tiny dogs protected with top mesh against predatory birds. Comfortable bed. Unlimited treats. Just nice looking dogs. Free access to dog run. Treadmill exercises. Safe playground. Variable bed sizes. Love and care from professional staff.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.